You said that you can't be outside. Although I suppose you could be outside, but you choose not to.
You need to open the curtain and then just swivel it so that it's like nearly against the window. That's how she loves it.
Wouldn't want Luna to not be happy with this situation.
Just swivel it. Genau. Yes. See, now it's perfect. Now it's perfect and she loves it. I have to work today, and Alice and probably Maya need some warmth, and humans are the best heating pads. We're gonna do 2. I don't know where you intend on squishing yourself in, although I've had 3 on my lap before. It's never very comfy for me. Maya, you're gonna have to make a plan. Momo, at least, he just like lies over the armrest. Momo is very good at just like half being on this chair. Alice is like, I have the prime spot in the nest and I am not giving it up.
Look at them old ladies.
Maya, you have successfully displaced the older lady. She's the most senior here. She should get prime spottage. By the end of this, not a single person here will be comfortable. I won't be comfortable, they won't be comfortable, my knees will start dying at some point, and you will see me in about 15 or half an hour time hobble into the kitchen.
Look who's back there.
Muppets! I know, Angel Boy! The weather's nasty, isn't it? Baby?
Nope, he's realized there's a camera on him. He immediately stopped the music.
Momo? Is the weather bad? Yeah. Oh, my baby. Are you gonna try to squeeze your way onto my lap at one point as well? My lap is fairly full. I don't know what to tell you, Momo. First come, first serve, baby. Oish!
Momo, you don't look very comfortable over there. You look unhappy.
Well, I can still feel my feet, so we're not at a terrible place yet.
Ryu is also gracing us with his presence today. Even he is like, it's wet outside. I will come and lie inside. You see, you have a friend.
He's giving me moral support because my head hurts and I'm tired. Yeah, he understands his mom's pain. He thinks mom and him should go to bed together and should just stay there for the rest of the day. Don't you agree, Muppets? Yeah? You wanna go to bed with Mama? Oh, yes. I wish. But I have to earn money so I can feed you. Oh, thank you. My sweet boy. I feel your support. Don't sit on the laptop though. I put my hand underneath you. Sit on my hand instead of the laptop. He's now sitting with his hand, with his butt on my hand. Isn't he the cutest little bug? Up. Yes! Best head poop. We can play a game with our viewers. I would like you, from all of our videos you've watched, Momo clearly has a very specific personality. I would like you to give me a song lyric that you think works best to describe Momo, because husband and I have a very specific one that we like to use on him, and I'd like to see if anyone can find it. So drop a comment down below with a lyric of any song that you think matches Momo, and then we will at some point pin the comment of what we think is the right one, but only after you guys have given us your opinions. What do you think about that, Momo? You know the answer, because we do that. We tell you all the time.
I think this is going to be the proceedings of the day. As soon as one sits down, one gets a cat. Even Ryu has come for a cuddle. Are you gonna go brave the outside? It's cold and wet out there. Nope. Thought better of it, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beans, all on the sofa. Where Luna is, I do not know. Probably outside, because she's a bit silly. Hey. You two look very cozy.
First of all, after the disappointment of 1 week ago, jumping out in Q1 for the first time.